Hey, have you ever wanted to create your own book cover without needing fancy design skills? You can do that with using Canva. It's super easy to use and free as well. And I will show you how to make a professional looking cover for your KDP book in no time, ready to bring your book to life. So let's get started. So hello everyone, I hope everything is doing well. First, and welcome back in another video. I'm glad to be here with you and show you the step by step how to create a KDP book cover with Canva.com. So the first step that you have to do is open your browser and dive into canva.com. This is the home page as you can see, but this is my account, that's why we have this page as you can see. But you have just right now to dive into canva.com as I said, and you start signing up by clicking over the button of sign up. I don't have a button of sign up and log in because I already have an account as you can see. Then you have to find this page after you sign up and you log in. So before, let's just know what is Canva first. Canva is a free online design tool that lets you create all sorts of visual content like book covers, social media posts, and flyers as well without needing any design experience. It's perfect for making a custom KDP book cover because it has really made templates and easy drag and drop features to help you design a professional looking cover in just a few steps. So right now all I have to do is just sign up and you'll find this page as you can see. I don't have these buttons as I mentioned before because I already have an account. I will just click over home and you'll find this page as you can see. But before, you have just to open your browser again and you have to type into KDP book cover template and you'll find this website. You have to click over it. It's from the platform amazon.com and you'll find this page as you can see. So here we have this page, but before, let's just know what is the reason that we choose this one. So this one is just for calculate exact dimension of your cover, because if you click over create a design, you need here the width and the height and also the units to get started as well. So this one could help us for do that. You have just to click over here and you have to link the files below. For example, here for binding type, you have to select hardcover or paperback. About interior type, you have to select black and white, premium color or standard color. I will select this one. About paper type, I will select white paper. About reading direction, I will select right to left or left to right. And then about measurement units, I will select inches. About interior trim size, you have to select the one you want. And also about page count, I will select for example 100. Then I will just click over calculate dimension and you will find a page which is this one as you can see. So here we have to find out the exact dimension of your cover. You have to use the calculator. You can also download template PDF and PNG to be used as a guide layer in your image editing software. Learn more about how to cover in paperback cover requirement as well. So alright, right now you have just to verify all this description. For example, for cover we have information above total width and height of the cover file, including front, back, spine and wrap, and we have front cover, safe area, blade margin, and we have here spine safe area, spine margin, and the page code margin as well. So for example, with the full cover we have here 10.590 5. About here the height we have 8.06, and you will have just to remember this one, then you get started. I will just come back to the Canva and I will write for example here the same thing, 10 dot, I forget it, what is it, can you help me to remember? Forgot also. Don't worry, let's just come back and have here 10.595. So we have just to help me about this one to remember it. Well, this one I will remember it to myself, 595. So 595. About this one, who is it? Yes, 8.06. Thank you. So just verify if you don't me, so it's the correct one. Thank you so much. Then you will just click over create new design and you'll find the page of design in the template. So we have just right now to come back here to get a cover calculator, and I will just click over download a template, and you have just to wait if you download and you click over save like that. And let's just come back here and let's design in our template right now. All right, so here we have it as you can see. Right now I will just here go to the button of uploads and I will just click over upload files. Then I will just upload, for example I will go to the download and then I will just select here all files, Then I will select this one, as you can see. Then I will click over open, and you get started with designing my template, as you can see. But before, we have other things that could help you. For example, if you want to design, you can just search for KDP book, for example, book cover, and then you have to select, for example, this one. And there we have it, as you can see. Also, if you want to hear elements, you can just search for KDP book again, KDP book, and you'll find it. This I will just go to the photos, and I will just search for someone. For example, I will select this one, as you can see. They will just make it like that. And here we have the size about smart crop. For example, I will just 101. For example, age to 2. And here we have it. I will just right now click over here again. They will search, for example, about rotate if I want to rotate. Like that, I think it's done with this one. Then I will just modify the size like that. And also like that. And here we have like that. If you want to rotate, you have just to double click, and you'll find here aspect last year. If you want this one, if you want also this one, as you can see, and you click over done, and here we have it right now. I will just modify like that. So I think it's better like that. Then I will just go to the brand, and I will add here if I want logos. Also, we have here the option for logos. You can just search for logo KDP book cover. Here we have it, as you can see. Was just searching like that. Also, we have here graphics, for example. We have here graphics. We'll just put this one like that. You'll put it here. You can just look page, and I will just right now add other things here if you want. If you want to delete, you click over here and delete whatever you want here. And I will just modify the size firstly. Right now you can just add also here if you want to draw, if you want to upload, you can just click over record yourself and just start recording. The background, we have here two options, as you can see, and then you get started with this one. So this is how you can do that with Canva. You can just click over the shit in the top right and you get started. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys. Have a fantastic day ahead.